Matip ngaya pulih hai na hai. Bagi sendang bayo abreu am. Ki em news nam tam. Ya kitu ba shong morwai. Ko mamia.
Wat mudur li min em temian mea. Nam kum ka ti mayai hapun sai so nap kin chong mea.
Ma kertang complete. Tempat jing em jong ma incomplete.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Hai teman.
Dari video ke kiran. Kiran tang.
Nagadaw Shlei ki Surok tang syude ke por slap hakathan Jail Road. UMLE kana Shlong constituency ba Adelbert nangrom haringkat ki engineer jagat na PWD Road kum juru hakajin dan lang kino penya Shnong Jail Road ulalit ban Jurip ya kani ka jaka kanang banyo shnano da kanala ka bapaka kanang bagi pat ba kinom jenjar shu uba Adelbert la yatho tang shuwan slap ba mulum balaru kini ka Surok kladap kum tola trwa ban pendrung hak smart city hendre kata ka jing trwa kelasyak kentat bat mentau la yo ke menjur dan ketena PWD Road makan le ya ke badan kam.
And then there's a connecting from here that goes like that. And it touches the main thing. Main thing is there. Very big, very big. All take him. Acha. So from here, I'll show you. Then these two, just see, it was done, I think, 30 years back. This one? Yeah. After that, only. I'm so grateful to our beloved MLA, Mr. Nongrum, since we have requested him for this drain, from the petrol pump up to this Jail Road Bazaar. The condition of the drain is so bad that even a small rain, the water flow on the roads. So now, thanks to Sir, he took the initiative. Now, Sir came with all the higher official of PWD Shillong. So hopefully they will take an immediate action. And before rain, we are expecting to complete the whole project. So thanks once again, Sir, for your initiative.
Ngaron mata ni po Jail Road. Opo Jail Road ringkat u basantu bang itip kerteng beri presiden jongka Jail Road Welfare Committee ringkat ke executive committee member ki official jongka peduli apo kajing one lang jong i executive committee executive engineer i ba letep i official jong jongka peduli angadon ni por kalong ban one page ni ka aquadoc kani ka drain kanala ka ba sedang natin na po petrol pump hadu ni po fish market kani gade ka problem kabala mat dekini kinok song jong ni ka area ni po Jail Road kabala mat dekini kinok song po Jail Road na slam ba deki bon teligi senam deki south house senam ano banong ti ngalayo yawan propose hande ni ki senam balit ka smart city tren license pat ki reject ya proposal mentang ngadang propose biang siapo ka peduli lambai minister in charge di Surpresun Tensong nawani kendo but ila endorse ru kanila recommend siapo ka department balik DPR kingang scam hiru kanir kan longkam bar kanong kecing kerku ke mentoi ya kani ka shnong hani po Jail Road kade ka kamram ka absolute duties and responsibility jong akumu MLA banpej ya ka equal service na kabanta constituency Brockway bar kham tamru kalong ba haman naki ka ayom jo ka slap kali jingliur Jong kapor liur. Kan slap tang arm lemon slap jur kelas Shlei gom bagi ki affected houses families ti chapo. Kidon ki spa tali. Ki bon ki syakta lembaga ni gajing bomdon ka proper drainage. Jadi lor tanong rim ngawan ra menta ya ki official jong peduli. Kun i jong ikmat ya gajing dongkam. Kam de gajing kwa. Kana bolong gajing mentoy berkham tamu jikir khu ya gino song bat ki bayat man penok kam ni ka lenti.